So I want to get only customer name and customer city. So how can we write the statement? First select and then the columns, fields, customer name, city, from which table? From customers table. So you will get here how many fields are here within the database, this table. One, customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, country, and so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 columns are there and 91 records, mean 91 rows. Out of these all I want to get only the data customer name and city. For this I have the statement select command will be used. So this is called select statement. Okay, why? Because select keyword used here. So these are the column customer name and city from customers table. Now if you run this code, you will get only customer name and city. Okay, how many records? From 91 records. Here the total data is here. Within this data, just I want to get this customer name field, means column, and this city column only, city column only. So this address, contact name, customer ID, they will not be, postal code, country, they will not be displayed, only the two, customer name and city. So this is the SQL statement, select statement. Next is what? Syntax. Try to understand the syntax. So select, this is compulsory keyword. Column 1, whatever the columns of data you want to get, you need to column 1, column 2, column 1, column 2. Then after from, the from keyword compulsory. We need to then table name, we need, this is the syntax. As per this syntax, first select keyword we need to write, then after the columns, which fields data you want to get, that column 1, column 2, then after from table name, then semicolon. This is the syntax. Here column 1, column 2 are the field names of the table. So within this table, this customer name and the city, these are fields. Sometimes they are called columns also. You want to select data from which data table you want to select, which fields you want to get the data. From this field I want to get the data. After then table name represents the table. Okay, demo database. Here customers is a database, this is a table created as a database. Okay, within this select all columns. If you want to select all columns, that moment star will be used. Okay, all star will be used to say all columns of data I want. If you want to return all columns, select star syntax you use. Okay, next simple example for us to do somewhat practice. Insert the missing statement to get all the columns from the customers table. So customers, a table is created, the customer has somewhat data, so I want to get all columns. So star I have used. If I want to get all columns of data from that customer table, which here I need to use what? Select. Okay, now select means, I told you that select keyword is a command used to get data, all data, star indicating that all data from this customers table. Okay, now submit the answer. If I have submitted the answer, you will get correct answer. So what do you mean of this? We have done the syntax, we tried well to understand the syntax. Next, select distinct. This select distinct statement, what is the meaning of select distinct statement? So next statement, distinct, select a distinct statement. Here along with select we will use distinct keyword also as a command. So now it is called select distinct statement. So what happened? Normally in a data, in a table, see what happened, this is the total table created in a database. Here in city, C. In the country, maybe somewhat duplicacy may be there. Here Mexico is there and Mexico is there, so duplicacy is there. And somewhere Germany, here Germany country and Germany is there. So now I want to get different values, distinct value, unique values. I don't want to get duplicacy. I don't want to get duplicated values. Only I want to get unique, otherwise different, otherwise distinct. All are equal. So that moment I want to use, along with select command, distinct command. Okay, within the statement. So for this, so this select distinct statement is usually written only different value. Different values means it will get only the different value, not duplicate values. Okay, if Germany 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, only 1 time Germany will be taken. So syntax is what? Select distinct, then after the field name, column name, country, from this table, customers table. So normally inside a table, a column, as I told you, that may contain many duplicate values. As I have told you that here Germany 2 times, and if you go down 91 record, if you go navigate through all 91 records, maybe many times Mexico one more time is here, Germany is, so many duplicate values. If you want to get only distinct different values, you can use the distinct keyword along with select also. Okay, now that duplicate values will be removed and they will not be taken. Sometimes you only want to list that the list is having only distinct values, different values. So syntax is what? Select distinct, column 1, column 2, then from table name. Okay, so that is the, this is now here it is database customers table. Within this I want to get from country column only the different values, distinct values by that. Okay, so if I omit this distinct keyword from this select distinct statement, if I remove this distinct keyword, so that become only select statement, that moment it will take all the names of the country from customer table. So if there is any duplicacy, so that duplicated data will be also be taken. So see, like, let us see what is happening here. If you run this, so I have removed that distinct keyword, only I have used select keyword. So select data from country column of customers table. So country, this is the data from 91 records, only the country details. Here duplicate Mexico 2 times, Germany. So if I want to omit, I want to get different values, no any duplicated value, that moment I need to use here, I can use the select distinct. If I use the distinct keyword along with select, so now only unique values will be displayed here. So if I run this, see, only the unique values I am getting. Okay, Germany only time Germany is there, Mexico is only one Mexico is there, as per M, Mexico one time. Okay, as per alphabetical order. So you can, this is w3schools.com. This is a website, w3school.com, schools.com. It is a website. Whenever you log into this website to learn the SQL, check back the HTTPS secure websites. Okay, HTTPS, whether it is following HTTPS protocol, you check back that. And once here, this is web-based code editor. We can edit the code here also, and you can run the